What exactly is contested probate? Simply put, contested probate occurs when there's a dispute over the validity of a will or the distribution of the deceased's estate. These disputes can arise for several reasons, and understanding the basics can help you navigate this challenging process. It relates to legal disputes that can question the validity of the will, the interpretation of its terms, or the actions of the executors. Common grounds for contesting a will include issues like lack of testamentary capacity, undue influence, fraud, or improper execution of the will. Let's break these down one by one. First, lack of testamentary capacity. This means the person who made the will, known as the testator, didn't have the mental capacity to understand the implications of their decisions at the time the will was made. They must comprehend who their beneficiaries are, what their estate includes, and how the will distributes their estate. Next, undue influence. This occurs when someone exerts excessive pressure on the testator to change the will in their favour. Proving undue influence can be complex and often requires showing that the testator was coerced into making decisions they wouldn't have otherwise made. Fraud or forgery involves allegations that the will or parts of it are faked. This could mean signatures were forged or the will was altered without the testator's knowledge or consent. Again, proving this requires substantial evidence. Improper execution is another ground for contesting a will. For a will to be valid in the UK, it must be signed by the testator in the presence of two witnesses, who must also sign the will. If these formalities are not followed, the will can be declared invalid. So, what happens if you decide to contest a will? The first step is usually to enter a caveat at the probate registry. This stops the probate process temporarily and gives you time to gather evidence and seek legal advice. It's crucial to act quickly because there are strict time limits for contesting a will. Seeking legal advice is essential. Contested probate cases can be legally complex and emotionally draining. A solicitor specialising in wills and probate law can guide you through the process, help you gather necessary evidence, and represent your interests in court if needed. At Duncan Lewis Solicitors, our wills and probate team is experienced in handling contested probate cases. We understand the sensitive nature of these disputes and are here to provide you with compassionate and expert legal support. If you have any questions or need advice on contested probate, don't hesitate to contact us. Please visit our website or call us directly on 03 33 772 0409.